What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a little bit, but we got Mitch's C6 in here today. We're going to be doing a hydro brake, so we need to get that welded in, fitted, and all that jazz. So this is what we got so far. We took the shifter apart, got it all measured up, ready to go. It's kind of a mess right now, but I'm going to get that all welded in, and she'll be e-braking. So this is the bracket I'll show you over here. Had to modify this. Is just a generic like C5 C6 bracket, so I had to drill some holes to accept it, and then I made some marks here where I'm going to weld the hydro on. So let's get to that. Alright, so I got all the surfaces prepped and ready to weld. I'm using a Hobart. It is a 2575 gas-fed MIG welder. I'm going to kind of play with the voltage and wire speed. You know, set, I'll probably put it at right around like 25 wire speed, probably 4 volts. And we'll go from there. And I am no expert by any means on settings. I can just weld stuff really well, so let's see how it goes. Alright guys, got it all welded up. Got some little dimes on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and give it a couple coats of some paint, and then we're going to put it on the car. Mitch is over here freezing. What's up, dude? Yeah, it's a little cold today in Florida, but God, she looks nice. That is a nice unit right there, I'll tell you what. So let's get to it. All right, so we put 3 coats on the top, 3 coats on the bottom. Gonna go ahead and let it dry a little bit. We kind of accelerated the process with a heat gun, but yeah, just gonna let it dry a little bit and then we'll slap it in and see how it feels. All right, so we got that sat in there. She looks good. What do you think of the position?
She's perfect.
Nice. Came out good. Nice little paint job. I think she's gonna be nice and stiff now. All right, guys, make sure you come down here to get your Sikky stiff. I think she's a stiff one now. What do you think?
Big and stiff, nice and hard. Something hard to hold on to and a fresh set of balls.
Yep, and the shifter knob was a little wanky, so got that thing going good. So if you guys don't know Mitch, let me come on down here for all your tinting needs. Make sure you go check him out. He is the best. I mean, he just piss excellence. No big deal.
And for all your detailing needs.
And all for your detailing needs, don't go see them.
Oh, you asshole.
But I'm pretty happy with it. Well, guys, I appreciate you watching the video today. Definitely hit the like button down below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for whenever I upload, because I haven't been uploading for a while, so I guess we'll just see you on the next video. We're gonna have some videos of this coming soon.
Come on down to Derek's and come on down here and get you some fixing, because he's gonna fix it for you.
Yep. But yeah, so we're gonna have some videos on the Civic right here coming up soon. So definitely hit that like button, like I said, and we'll see you on the next video.